guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. We have some big breaking news. Munapule Saleng is officially a Mamelodi Sundowns player. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Thank Sithibe, ngiyabonga mngani wami.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, sizwe ezinye indaba mfethu Sithibe ezithusayo mfethu. Zakamune Pule Saleng bafethu.
Uzibona kanjani?
Yeah, no Sithibe. Eish. Angifila ukuthi Pirates yabona akilinyatso le.
Kilinyatso?
Akilinyatso le.
In terms of what?
Sithibe iPirates kahle kahle itshela iSundowns ukuthi thina siyayithatha le league.
Enasinsabi.
Yeah, marava. iPirates iva isumbokazi.
TLB.
Mayiqeda yasinikeza the cream of the crop when it comes to South African wingers. Munapule Saleng. I mean, at some point uSaleng bekaphethe iPSL ngezandla.
Akora
lo. Saleng uthathe uwinise iPirates back to back ama-cup.
Sure.
Njengoba sikhuluma ngama-treble. Lama-treble akaSaleng.
Yes.
Uyangithola?
Yes.
And then manje iPirates ifuna ukwin league and they decide to give us uSaleng.
Yeah.
I feel ukuthi they are rubbing it on our faces to say asifuni ukuthi nithi Ribeiro
yeah
ubani akekho sesashoda uThemba Zwane nekalimele bathi thatha nanguSaleng. Catch us if you can.
Yeah.
I mean benza lama moves so whereby iPirates share iSundowns nga 2 points.
Sure.
With the game in hand. Anyone can win the league. But the way yenza ngakhona iPirates I mean ngifila disrespected njengeSunderone. Ngidilelile iPirates. Hayi Sithibe lento lena yenziwa kanje mfethu. Phela the way yenzakala ngakhona and you know ukuthi isodlala iSecond League nePirates eOrlando. So they're telling us ukuthi bheka asifuni ize nishoda.
Yeah, izani niphelele sinibone with your best.
Come with your best. I mean ashoda sanibhalise.
Yeah, bambani.
Asamfuni. Yeah, ningathi mina ishoda ubani. But it's going to be very interesting. I mean sengiyayibheka manje ukuthi iSundowns how can they shape up against amanye ama team, not specifically with Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
uSaleng we know who specialize on coming from the right hand side. We see uSaleng on the right hand side. You see Nunes on the left hand side. You will see Reyners up front. Behind Bono Shikapala Themba Zwane.
Sure.
Fully fit. Mespeka ama video akhe Polokwane. Ubuyile umshishi.
Oh, he's back.
I mean that front four nje la diamond leyo ibonayo laphayana nje. That front four ibonayo lapha phambili. I mean on paper guys. That's a lethal weapon.
It's tough to beat.
It's tough to beat.
Yeah,
guys.
it's tough to beat.
And I feel ukuthi it's one of the decisions iMamelodi Sundowns is right esithathile ngokusayina uMonapule Saleng because as much as iSundowns in a quality player but we let someone that's good on carrying the ball.
Yeah.
We needed someone that can carry the ball and after carrying the ball if uMonapule Saleng umuntu owazi uminus play 1 or 2.
Sure.
And the final decision yakhe it's always good.
Yes.
Out of 10 the final decision yakaMonapule Saleng we're talking about 8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's very good, which must be overall with Sundowns. Abantu abadlala that position, those position ama wing kanjalo. Ama decision wabo kwi-final third they are very poor. So I think ukuthi kuletha uMonapule Saleng kulethela lo nto leyo because kwi-final third you really need someone good nge-final decision ngithola because you can create chances nenza ama-chance amaningi but if kwi-final third anikho good angeke nilunge Sithibe. So I feel ukuthi uMonapule Saleng usilethele lento i-variety. I always talked about ukuthi Sundowns idinga i-variety. So manje usilethele lento that's extra sauce. You can play a game isolate uMonapule Saleng umshaye one siding or umshaye no Reyners. They are both on speed boy 2 and also uMonapule Saleng uza ngani skill.
Sure.
So that thing uyakwazi ukusebenzela uyangithola uzosebenzela kakhulu. So I feel ukuthi mina umuntu ozosinikeza that variety. Yes sinama player akwazi ukudlala. uNuno is a ball player. But akusiplayer skillful ezothatha abantu ngepace.
Sure.
You look at Alendo ugood control game neThembo. quality naye. You go and look at Umukwena naye good control game yakwazi ukuprotect. You go to the other side, you look at Matthews. Matthews good ngithetha ama player but 1-on-1 ama 1-on-1 makafika ku goalkeeper 1-on-1 akekho good.
Yeah.
Ne decision yakhe maqedwe manasi player akekho good.
Yeah.
You come back ubuya ku player elifana no Sales. uSales akathanda ama goal. Uthanda assist. Whereby Mone Palasading uyawathanda ama goal. He's driven by that. Uyathanda ukugora. I player driven ukuthi ifuna attack every time. So I feel ukuthi mina for mina it's a 10 out of 10. Sundowns on that one. Anginika 10 out of 10. It's a great signing.
Yeah.
Ngibonga Sithiwe.
Thank you Njaya.
Amaradona umdali.